Magandang hapon po ng August 10, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng August 10, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas na para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, August 10, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 10, 2024, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, August 10, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for August 10, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.